SPY and Apple. SPY first. There we go. That looks decent already. So 564 calls, 0 DTE. There we go. That's the buyers. SPY found the buyers. Apple did not. Anyways, it's going to be volatile, man. It's going to be really volatile. Ooh. Again, guys, wait for your strategy, wait for your setup. And the market is a gold mine. There's opportunities all day long. So 50 contracts. Here we go. Wow, look at this thing. It's already $1.50. All right, I'm getting long here on the SPY. I cannot put a big size on because the stop is super wide. If I can tighten it soon, I will. It's it's really interesting. It's holding this area, but you gotta be careful. Okay, here comes a bounce. Ideally, it bounces. The bottom of that second candle before the open, that's the one. Finding buyers, looking for where these buyers truly are. Yeah, I see some. Okay, I'm adding more. I'm seeing the buyers. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is hardly a 10-cent thing, man. I'm gonna load up on this a little more. There we go, double the size now. Okay, now we're getting close to full risk. The buyers are there, but now it's not a good time to add more until there's more conviction. Yeah, you see the buyers, they're tested again. Are they being tested again? Yes, they're being tested. Let's see if they want to come in. There it is. There they are. Okay, now I've really added in. Okay, here we go. Going for the top. 564 is the strike, so I'm seriously out of the money. Ideally, it gets there. Now it's on full risk. Where are we going? Come on, 563. Apple dropped. Look at that. What a disaster. Even Tesla. Who caught the Tesla short? Whoops. Oh my gosh, I hit the wrong button. Yikes. Sorry, guys. Oh, I had my finger on the trigger and I clicked it by mistake. See, this is a disaster right now. I was looking at Tesla and I clicked the button here. That was silly. Anyways, I re-entered the same position. It's basically the same risk. A little bit messy now. The average break-even point is not ideal. But it's okay. I'm taking the buffer from the realized to calculate the risk on the trade. All right, 300 contracts. The stop it's actually not very risky as far as the amount at risk is concerned. What is risky is most things look weak, which is what drives the SPY. But we'll see. 564. See here, I'm out of the money. So getting up to 564, as SPY gets there, the contract value shall accelerate. That's what you would expect when you're going out of the money contracts. I'm going to put the stop in place. Oh man, I keep hitting the wrong button today. What's wrong with me? Sell. There we go. Stops in place. 564. That's where I'm really interested. 565.85 is the target. That's way up there. 564 is where I'm really interested to start scaling out. Now we're going to find resistance, I think. There we go. Yeah, right there. Let's go 564. That's the strike. Go through. All right. Yeah, we're through. I'm going to start scaling off. I'll take off half this position. Take it off slowly. There we go. That's about half. It's at break even, which is not ideal. I don't want this thing at break even. I'm not ready for that. This is tough. I got to make decisions here. Should I leave it at break even or should I just still keep the risk on? I think it's worth keeping the risk on because it'll easily pull back and mess around and stuff. And I'd like to survive the pullback. I mean, the risk is minimal at this point. There's plenty of realize, so gonna go profit anyway. There we go. 5.6. So next target 5.65 and then above, and then we'll start to call it a decent day. 5.6582. That's the final target. All right. Made a bit of a mess of this one, but okay. That's silly. It's the problem with having a finger on the trigger, right? You could just click it by mistake. That's what I did. I was looking at Tesla and I ended up clicking this on the SPY. I was not smart. Wow, AMD, what a ripper. We have Tesla down. We have Google. Ooh, Google's interesting. Breakout. Google for the breakout, but it's very, very messy. Can't tell. Who's in the Tesla short? Bang, look at that thing go.
I did.
Nice. There you go. Get some of that. Tesla short. Looks great. Wow. I can't trust Tesla, but it's moving. Come on, SPY. The longer this sits here, the more of a problem it is. It's likely to whip in the other direction. Oh man, I gotta make a decision. I can take off another 100 contracts and plan to buy it back. I think that's what I'll do. I'll take off another 100. So I'm down to 50 contracts and at break even. Now I've de-risked everything. So no risk on the table now. And let's see. Ideally, it bounces off this pre-market high and basically 564, and then I can add some position on for the rest of the move. Ideally. We'll see. Sujit, you got Microsoft. Nice. Yeah, look at that. Just wants to go, huh? Yeah, it looked decent on the bigger time frame. What else we got? Omar, you just joined? Oh, that was earlier. You missed out the French chat. Yeah, Shane, I'm with you. Today is mixed signals. I'm seeing a lot of confusion all around, really. All right, I'm scaling in, well, adding in some more. Still at break even, no risk on this anymore. So I've added in almost back up to 100 contracts now, and the green line is up there, almost at the target. Let's see if we get there. That'd be nice. If it gets there, I mean, it's incredibly strong. So the SPY is likely to continue. It's probably worth not taking off the full position up at the top here at about 566. Take off the majority and then leave a whole chunk on the table for later. Let's see how it behaves. Wow, AMD. What's going on with AMD, man? Anyone catch that? Wow. It looked great now on a 30-minute chart, but I couldn't pick it earlier. Look at that thing go. Anyone in AMD? Seriously? I mean, cheap prices, AMD? Yes, AMD is cheap. People like it when it's cheap. All right, I'm going to start scaling this thing off soon. 565 is 50. Again, these levels are not precise. They're areas. So it's worth just scaling off. And especially, I know I'm trading the SPY, which is tricky. So yeah, I'm hitting the 10% button slowly, not as aggressively as I'm used to. I'm just kind of hitting it every couple of seconds. Let's go 25 contracts. Let's go down to 20. Yeah, just about there. Come on, scale that off. All right. Anyways, that's just about there. All right, no risk on the trade and let it run. 19 contracts to go. Let's see how it behaves in this area. And if there's another opportunity to add for another run to the next level, that would be fun. At some point, it's definitely going to pull back. It's been up in a straight line so far. Let's move these levels to where they need to be, further up on the chart. So almost at the first target. Wait, was this in the right place? Yes, it is. Next target is about 570 if it's genuinely strong. Let's see. We have, yeah, this was previous support and it retested, so it's been resistant. So it's at an area of big resistance now. As far as candlesticks are concerned, you can see the wick here, huge. So this is possibly where it can really turn around. If that's the case, well, you can see already for the first time we're having a indecision on the move up. There we go. This is probably worth scaling off. I'm going to get down to 10 contracts at this point. There we go. Now it's still risk-free. And let it sit. No, there we go. Hit the level. But this is a tricky area. I mean, it could, if it breaks through here, I think it'd be a very big breakout. It'll be explosive going up. Wow, there goes Google. Who caught Google? Otherwise, I mean, this is an area of big resistance. Just looking at the candlestick chart. Anyways, let's see what happens. So, no risk on it. Price is average cost is 208, and yeah, so plenty of room on this. There we go. That one works so far. What else we got? Rachel, you got AMD? Beautiful. Look at this thing, man. AMD. Like, what the hell happened to it? It's just huge. Actually, in hindsight, you can see it's been at bullish consolidation. Just get the breakout on a 1 minute. Yeah, consolidation right there, and then get the breakout. I didn't see it before the open. To me, it just looked like a big mess. Oh, there goes a SPY. Oops. Better pay attention. Yeah, right through the level, at the level. Okay, take off more. It's really not much. I'm not playing with anything now. There's just nothing left on the table. Yeah, 4 contracts. The idea with these last 4 contracts now is if it breaks through the level, I'll multiply it, make it 8 contracts. Let's see. It's going to be a while before it does, I believe. We'll have to wait and see. And the stop for now is just below this area, which is better than break even for me. It's a good consolidation, I gotta say. It's like an ABCD pattern ready for the breakout. But let the breakout happen. I'd rather wait for the breakout and see if there's a retest up here. If not, it's gonna get choppy or reverse. I don't know.